Jordan Brand continues its Year of the Horse collection for 2026 by spotlighting the Air Jordan 1 Low method of make V3, an animal-inspired women's exclusive that blends heritage details with modern design. This version moves away from heavy Y2K runner vibes and leans into a refined, handcrafted look. The upper features layered construction with light chocolate brown leather on the outer panels, giving the shoe a structured and premium feel. Underneath, white faux pony hair adds depth and texture, making the design stand out from every angle. The swoosh comes with intricate detailing influenced by traditional Chinese and American southwestern aesthetics, which also carries over to the leather tongue and custom insoles. A Team Crimson Jordan tag appears on the lateral side, while a metallic gold Chinese New Year hangtag adds a celebratory touch. The black midsole features red contrast stitching, paired with a light chocolate outsole. The Air Jordan 1 Low method of make V3 Year of the Horse is expected to release in spring 2026 in women's sizing, around the Chinese New Year period.